Today we are going to dive into a topic that many of you have been asking about: why your natural hair isn't growing and the 10 ways to fix those issues. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of what might be hindering your hair growth and how to address it effectively. The last two tips are by far the most important, so make sure you do not miss them. If you find that your natural hair isn't growing as you would like, it could be due to one of a few key factors. Let's explore these factors so you can pinpoint what might be holding your hair back. Number one is lack of moisture. Number two is poor scalp health. Number three is over manipulation. Number four is using harsh chemicals. Number five is heat damage. Number 6 is not trimming your hair regularly. Number 7 is unbalanced diet. Number 8 is stress and lack of sleep. Number 9 is not protecting your style. And number 10 is genetics. Now that we have identified these common culprits that could be stunting your hair growth, let's move on to the 10 ways that you can fix these issues and promote healthy hair growth. The first topic that we discussed was moisturizing your hair, right? Make sure that you moisturize your hair regularly. That ensures that your hair stays hydrated by using a good quality moisturizer and sealing in the moisture with natural oils like our Secrets hair growth oil. This oil consists of 21 all-natural and organic Ayurvedic herbal ingredients. We also have our caffeine growth oil, which caffeine has been known to help block DHT. And then we have our carrot growth oil. So just make sure you seal all of the moisture in with an oil. If you don't have access to these oils, you can always make up your own DIY oils and use it. Number 2 is to maintain a healthy scalp. Keeping your scalp clean and well nourished by using a gentle shampoo and incorporating scalp massages to stimulate blood flow. I personally started using our scalp massager in the shower to wash my hair and also to just massage my scalp in between wash days. You can find it on our website. I will leave all links down below in the description box, and I'll also pin it to the comment section. The third is limit your manipulation. Minimize the use of heat starting tools and also harsh chemicals, and opt for a protective style that reduce manipulation and breakage. I am not talking about long-term protective styles like braids that you put in for like multiple months. Now, if not done properly, it becomes more harm than good. Our fourth thing that is hindering your hair, opt for natural products, guys. I highly recommend our Secrets hair care products. Make sure you choose a hair care products that are free from all sulfates, that are free from all parabens and other harmful ingredients to maintain the health of your hair and overall well-being. Now, let's be serious about this, because these chemicals that are in these products, it can also affect your hair, it can affect your scalp, it can also affect your overall health. Our next tip is to protect your hair from heat. If you must use heat, always use a heat protectant spray and keep the heat setting on low to prevent damage. Heat also causes a lot of dryness to the hair, which causes breakage. Now, one thing I also used to be afraid of is to trim my ends regularly, but I am no more afraid of trim. Make sure you schedule regular trims every 2 to 3 months or as needed to get rid of split ends. Because if you don't trim your ends, those split ends travel up to the hair shaft, and that can cause thinning to your hair, which can lead to breakage. Our next tip is to eat a balanced diet. Incorporating foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins to promote healthy hair growth from the inside out. I also recommend adding a hair vitamin to your lifestyle. I take my Secrets hair, skin, and nail supplement that consists of 5,000 mcg of biotin and other vital nutrients and minerals, just in case I'm not getting all of the vitamins and minerals from my food. I will also leave this down in the description box for you. You can check it out on my website. I do not miss this. I make sure I take this every day. Our next tip is to manage stress, yes, and get adequate sleep. Practice stress reducing activities like yoga or meditation, and also ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. You will thank me later because sleep is very, very important for us. Our next tip is to embrace protective style. Give your hair a break by wearing protective styles like braids, twists, or buns to minimize manipulation and to also protect your ends. Please do not go extended amount of time with your protective style. I wash my hair every 7 to 10 days, so that is how long my protective style lasts if I do a protective style. Like this right now is also a protective style because the ends are not rubbing all on my clothes, which will also cause breakage. And also work with your genetics. Yes, I'm saying genetic does play a part in hair growth, but bad hair practices can lead to damaged hair even if you have a genetic to grow your hair faster. Make sure that you understand your hair type and hair texture and tailor your hair care routine to suit your unique needs for optimal growth. Genetics influence various aspects of our hair, including like the thickness of your hair, the color that you will have, also your hair texture, the pattern of growth, baldness, and like things that you inherit, your hair density, your growth rate, and also your follicle structure. Genes determine the hair growth cycle, also your follicle size, the melanin distribution for color, and also it also plays like if you're going to have baldness or things. That's something that has been studied also, so that's something to also take into consideration when you are looking to grow your hair an excessive amount of length. Make sure that genetics also play a part in it. So there you have it, the reason why your natural hair may not be growing as you like it, and 10 actionable ways to fix these issues and promote healthy hair growth. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. So make sure to be patient, guys. You have to be patient and be consistent with your hair routine. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. I make videos using DIY's herbal recipe and also gathering ingredients from around my home to be able to help to grow my hair and my kids' hair longer, stronger, and thicker. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you join our family. I also make videos educating individuals on using clean, natural, and organic products that are safe for your hair, that are safe for your overall well-being, and also for the environment. I also have my own hair care line, my hair care products as secrets that are free from all harsh chemicals. We use ingredients that are all natural and organic. That I promise you, it will be safe for you and the entire family. You can find my products on my website, s-secrets.com. Our products are also on Amazon Prime. You can also find our products on Walmart.com. We have our own Etsy shop. You can find our products on eBay and also on our TikTok shop. All links will be left down in the description box and also pinned in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and insights. Until next time, stay fabulous and take care of your precious locks. Bye-bye. Love you.